Hello. As a mortgage broker or prospective mortgage broker, you have some options that you normally wouldn't have. And one of those options is to buy an existing loan business, or we call it a loan book. And from time to time, loan books and loan businesses come available for sale. Brokers change direction, they retire, or they don't have much choice. The MFAA late last year in 2009 expelled 1,500 brokers for non-compliance. And I invite you to Google that because it's quite interesting to read that. Google MFAA expels 1,500 brokers. Anyway, a loan business can be acquired usually, depending on the nature of it. There's a bit of due diligence, of course, to be done. But on average, 2.25 to 1. What that means is that for every $1 of annual trailing commission associated with that loan book would cost about $2.25 to acquire. So that means that if you were to find a book generating $45,000 a year, that would cost us around $100,000 to buy. But you know and I know that to fund $100,000 through leveraging ourselves or debt only costs about $7,000 a year to service $100,000 worth of debt. So straight away there's a great positive cash flow position in our situation, costing us $7, returning $45,000. But equally importantly, as a loan purchase, is that you actually obtain the client base associated with that loan book. So not only do you pick up the passive income, you also now have the client base. And we, and the current mortgage broker, is a bit more holistic. We also handle things like car financing and business financing, commercial lending, insurance products. We're also, in our case, fairly active in the property world, in seminars and information, and so on. So we're able to work with this client base and communicate with them, upselling and cross-selling to our client base, who are very warm now because we are their servicing agent for their brokerage. And typically a $100,000 book business, whatever you want to call it, would have in it at least a couple of hundred clients. So not only do we get a good cash flow, we get a couple of hundred clients to then work with and as our starting point in our business. So in summary, you get some great implications. You get cash flow, roughly 2.25 to 1, so $45,000 a year for a $100,000 acquisition. Plus you get the client base, and it's still worth the money later on. So if you keep your book and you grow your book and you cross-sell into your book and you keep it going, you'll always get your money back for your business. So, it might make some sense to some of you considering our business to accelerate things and maybe look at this option and start a bit of a due diligence. If you're not part of our family yet, please, our website is brokersite.com.au. Have a look at our industry, have a look at our options, register your interest, let us communicate with you, and if you feel that this sort of thing could be of interest, talk to us and we'll go from there. Have a great day. We'll talk again soon. Bye-bye.